Hey guys, let's see how you can use this mini projector with USB. This is the CiBest mini projector W13. You can just connect a thumb drive like this and play everything from here, okay? So basically video like .mp4 or .movie, and also audio like .wave, .mp3. It works pretty fine. And also you can play some pictures from here, right? So super simple. And if you want to connect your computer or your cell phone, you need to use the HDMI port, because the USB-A is just to play videos from a thumb drive, all right? I'll just plug here so you see that works. There we go, it's just a regular thumb drive. I'll leave the link in the description for this one. And remember that you need to have the correct format here for the thumb drive, otherwise it's not gonna work. What I mean by this is just you need to come to your computer and format this one using FAT32, and also load the files here with an extension like .mov, .mp4 for videos, .mp3 or .wave for audio files, JPEG for pictures and things like this, right? Otherwise it's not gonna work. Let me just show here that's working. So I have the remote control, then I can just select here if I want to play a movie, audio, picture, or see a text. Up here you see USB 2.0, so it's connected. When I connect the device there, it's a good thumb drive, and with the correct format is going to show you here, right? Then I just select here if you want to play a movie. So when I come here, depending on the movie that you have, it's not gonna work. This one, for example, is an unsupported file. The next one here is going to work, is an MP4 file. And you see here that's working. This is the resolution, 1920 by 1080, and it's playing. You can hear the audio from here. That's the speaker. Work pretty fine. So you can also play in full screen, of course. Then another one here, you can also play on full screen. You see that works pretty fine. The quality is very good, as you can see back there.
This 6-feet pre-lit Christmas tree is a must-have. First off, the branches are on auto drop hinge design, which means they literally fall perfectly into place. No more spending hours.
Okay, and I can control everything from here. From here, see the play button, fast backward, fast forward, preview next, stop, and you can also play it randomly. Works pretty fine. With videos, then you just come back, and here you can play music. Again, here is an MP3 file. Just starts playing. And then you can also play .wave file. Again, you have the buttons here to control everything from pause to fast backwards, fast forwards, and everything else. Then you just come here and stop. Back to the main menu, and you play pictures from here. Again, be careful with the format here. I have a PNG file, that one with a high resolution. It takes a while to load, as you can see. This is just a preview, and you can also just hit OK here, and it's going to load in full screen. It takes a while. If yours is not working, just wait at least 30 seconds to see if it loads here, because it's a PNG file with high resolution, right? Sometimes people just move away from the menu before it loads. You see the loads, takes a while, but loads, right? I have another PNG file here. Takes a while to load as well because it has high resolution. Just take a look here so you can compare it to the next one that loads pretty fast. This one takes a while with high resolution. So if you come back and play the third one here, or preview the third one, you see how fast it loads, because it's 1920 by 1080, so lower resolution. So when I hit OK here, still the black screen takes a while to load, but at least it loads faster than the other one, right? So because of the lower resolution. And you can use a different format like JPEG. You see, loads super fast with JPEG, even with high resolution. Another JPEG here. You see, pretty fast. So if you want to load something faster, just use JPEG instead. super fine. And here you can load text as well. This one I just got from a Windows computer with the extension .txt. All right, you just write some there, save as .txt is going to work. And if you're using a Mac, this is the RTF file. It doesn't work pretty well. Even if I save with the .txt extension, it's not gonna work fine. So just use Windows to prepare a text file if you want, if you need one, right? Super simple. So basically that's the way you can use the USB port here. It's just for loading files or for the update, right? It doesn't work in a different way. You cannot connect directly to your cell phone here. If you want to connect your cell phone, you just need to use the HDMI port here with a specific cable. Let me just show here that I have this cable, which is USB-C to HDMI. And with this one, you can connect your iPhone or your Android phone. I have here a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, for example. Let me just unlock it here. So you see that I just put it right here. Connect the cable, in this case HDMI, not USB, right? HDMI. And then I connect the other end here to the USB-C port on the cell phone. There we go. Then I just need to come here and select the HDMI input on the projector. Just grab the correct remote control and come here to the HDMI, and it's going to load. It takes a while to load. You're gonna see a message here on the screen and it loads, right? Then I can just play from here as well. So it's playing back there. There we go. You can even control the volume from here, okay? So super simple. So that's basically how you can use the USB port here to load your files and do whatever you want. And if you want to connect your cell phone, you can use the HDMI port with the USB-C on your phone, right? I'll leave the cable here in the description because you need to use a specific cable that works with the cell phone, okay? So I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.